Hello, hello everyone. All right, today we're gonna look at how we can print and output print text to the terminal, to the screen. So here's your terminal on the right hand side, and we want to print hello world to the screen. Let's say if I clear this now, it's just gonna show the version and nothing else. So we want to print something to the screen. So how we can do that? We can write the print function here, print followed by the brackets. Oops. Then within the brackets, we will write the text we want. So just like when we're writing an English essay, when someone is saying something, we put a quote around that conversation text. And so here, we want to say hello world. We need to put a quote around it. Once you do that, you have a print function with an input hello world. And from there, you run. There we go, hello world.